Okay guys, hi. It's LPS Thatch time. And we got a tornado near us. Just upload that. I'm worried about the tornado that's near. And I just went to a graveyard too. Like a couple of minutes ago. It was scary and sad. And some of the husbands are still alive. Yeah. I'm sorry if this camera's dark, but it's like 7 o'clock or something. And yeah. The recording goes until 9 p.m. I'm not in a basement. I don't have a basement. Yeah. Forgot. Something counts. Forgot the name of that count. Oh, the camera fell. Let me fix that. Yeah. It's scary. Bye. Pretty awkward. Maybe, I don't know.